The European Union crossed a significant milestone as its AI Act moved from statute to active enforcement on August 2, 2026, making it the first continent-wide regulation of AI systems. Under these new requirements, AI companies operating in Europe must clearly identify themselves when interacting with users rather than appearing as human agents, ensuring transparency at every interaction level. Additionally, providers of generative AI models must mark all synthetic content, including text and images, in machine-readable formats so that artificial content can be easily distinguished from authentic material. The European Commission gained substantial enforcement powers, including the ability to demand information from companies, request access to models, and order recalls when necessary. Organizations deploying deepfakes, or AI-generated content related to public interest matters, must now explicitly disclose this usage. This regulatory framework represents a maturation of the AI industry, moving beyond hype cycles into a phase where companies can innovate within clear, stable legal boundaries. Google Cloud unveiled a powerful new capability on August 4, 2026, by making Service Health for Cloud Run generally available, enabling organizations to maintain uptime for critical applications with minimal effort. The feature automatically handles cross-region failover by monitoring readiness probes at the instance level, ensuring that traffic is intelligently redirected when issues occur. Organizations can configure this advanced capability with just 2 clicks, making sophisticated multi-region deployment strategies accessible to businesses of all sizes. The service works seamlessly with both global external application load balancers for public-facing services and internal load balancers for private networks. This launch addresses a critical need as enterprises increasingly deploy autonomous AI agents that require constant availability. By automating failover processes, organizations can significantly reduce potential downtime and maintain service continuity across multiple cloud regions. AWS marked a major milestone on August 3, 2026, by achieving general availability for AWS Interconnect with Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, introducing the first purpose-built multi-cloud connectivity solutions. This service allows organizations to establish direct, private connections between AWS and OCI environments without routing traffic through the public internet, significantly enhancing security and compliance posture. The interconnect provides resilient, scalable networking that maintains performance while ensuring data never traverses public internet infrastructure, addressing critical requirements for regulated industries and enterprises handling sensitive data. The service simplifies the complexity of managing multi-cloud architectures by providing straightforward provisioning and management capabilities. Organizations can now run workloads across AWS and Oracle Cloud with confidence, leveraging best-of-breed services from each platform while maintaining secure, high-performance connectivity between environments. Microsoft introduced Project Perception on August 3, 2026, moving its AI-powered cybersecurity agent platform into public preview, offering organizations a new approach to threat detection and response. The platform leverages AI defenders that operate autonomously to identify emerging threats and initiate remediation without waiting for human intervention, fundamentally changing how security teams approach incident response. By integrating Project Perception with existing security infrastructure, organizations can significantly reduce the time between threat detection and response, a critical factor in minimizing breach impact. The platform demonstrates the maturation of AI agents beyond conversational applications into specialized roles within enterprise security operations. This launch signals that enterprises are increasingly comfortable delegating complex decision-making to AI systems, particularly in security contexts where speed and accuracy directly impact organizational resilience. Cloudflare initiated its second annual Agents Week on August 2, 2026, with an innovative approach that directly involves the developer community in shaping future agent capabilities. Rather than announcing predetermined products, Cloudflare invited users to ask ACI agents what infrastructure they need and to report their findings, making the community co-architects of the platform. The 5-day event arc covers critical topics, including execution primitives for agents, development lifecycle management that removes humans from repetitive loops, and secure access patterns for autonomous systems. This approach demonstrates Cloudflare's commitment to developing agent platforms grounded in real-world use cases rather than theoretical capabilities. By centering community input, Cloudflare is positioned to build infrastructure management tools that genuinely address the pain points developers face when scaling autonomous systems across distributed networks. Security researchers identified INC ransomware as the dominant threat actor, exploiting newly discovered SonicWall vulnerabilities, launching accelerated attacks beginning in early August 2026. The group specifically targets the SonicWall Secure Mobile Access 1000 series, a critical infrastructure component used by enterprises to provide remote access to on-premises resources. By leveraging the recently disclosed CVE 2026154009 and CVE 2026154110 vulnerabilities, INC ransomware gained a time-sensitive advantage before patches achieved widespread deployment. The group's victims count reached 885 organizations as of early August, with new victims being added daily to their dark web leak sites, intensifying the competitive pressure among ransomware groups. Organizations running SonicWall infrastructure faced critical urgency in applying patches and conducting forensic investigations to detect unauthorized access, as the rapid exploitation window presented limited time to secure vulnerable systems before attackers could establish persistent access. Alibaba announced the development of QN 3.8 Max on August 2, 2026. Presenting what the company describes as the most powerful model in its AI portfolio to date. The announcement, made on Monday with official release scheduled for the following week, marks Alibaba's significant push to compete directly with leading global AI companies in the large language model space. QN 3.8 Max represents the culmination of substantial investment in AI research and development, building on Alibaba's previous QN model releases with enhanced capabilities and performance metrics. The model's introduction underscores the intensifying global competition in AI, with companies across North America, Europe, and Asia simultaneously advancing large language model capabilities. Alibaba's continued innovation in this space signals the tech company's long-term commitment to AI infrastructure and the company's confidence that advanced model capabilities will be essential to future business competitiveness and enterprise growth across Asia-Pacific markets. On August 3, 2026, Rigetti Computing, Hewlett-Packard Enterprise, and the Pittsburgh Supercomputing Center announced a strategic partnership to build Tangle Lab, a hybrid quantum classical supercomputing facility funded by a $5 million National Science Foundation grant. The testbed integrates a 9-qubit Novera quantum computing system with classical, HPC, and GPU infrastructure, addressing the critical engineering challenge of creating cohesive systems that leverage both quantum and classical computing strengths. This hybrid approach recognizes that practical quantum applications require seamless interaction between quantum processors and classical systems, a capability not yet available in most experimental environments. By establishing this facility, the partnership creates a space where researchers can develop and test hybrid algorithms that solve real-world problems beyond the reach of either quantum or classical systems alone. The collaboration signals growing maturity in quantum computing, with industry shifting from theoretical research to practical engineering challenges of building production-ready systems that integrate quantum processors into enterprise computing infrastructure. Samsung's Galaxy Watch 9 approached its official launch on August 7, 2026. With early retail partnerships already in place to drive consumer adoption ahead of general availability. Costco's promotional campaign, announced in early August, offered consumers $40 off the watch price, plus additional freebies valued at over $50, representing aggressive retail positioning in the competitive smartwatch market. The Galaxy Watch 9 builds on Samsung's wearable technology heritage, with enhanced health monitoring features including advanced fitness tracking, heart rate monitoring, and integration with Samsung's health ecosystem. The early retail partnerships demonstrate how manufacturers leverage exclusive promotions through major retailers to drive rapid adoption and establish market share during launch periods. The Galaxy Watch 9's feature set reflects the maturation of wearable technology, with smartwatches now offering health monitoring capabilities that rival medical-grade devices while seamlessly integrating with smartphone ecosystems to provide comprehensive wellness tracking. AWS launched Managed Prometheus collectors within Amazon CloudWatch on August 3, 2026, removing a significant operational barrier for organizations adopting cloud-native infrastructure. The service enables automatic collection of Prometheus metrics from AWS resources including Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service, EC2, Elastic Container Service, Managed Streaming for Kafka, and OpenSearch Service, without requiring deployment or management of custom monitoring agents. Organizations previously maintaining proprietary Prometheus scraping infrastructure can now offload this operational burden to AWS's managed service, freeing engineering resources to focus on application development and business logic. By abstracting away the complexity of metrics collection infrastructure, AWS democratizes access to sophisticated monitoring capabilities previously available only to organizations with substantial DevOps expertise. This move reflects the broader cloud industry trend of shifting operational overhead from customers to service providers, enabling enterprises to adopt Kubernetes and containerized architectures at scale without corresponding increases in monitoring and observability infrastructure complexity. Cybersecurity startup Horizon 3 announced a record $250 million Series E funding round on August 3, 2026, achieving a significant valuation milestone that underscores strong investor confidence in advanced enterprise security solutions. The substantial funding demonstrates the venture capital market's conviction that cybersecurity threats will continue escalating, requiring constant innovation in detection and response technologies. Horizon 3's successful fundraising reflects broader enterprise trends, showing organizations prioritizing cybersecurity investments as cyber threats evolve in sophistication and frequency. The capital injection enables Horizon 3 to accelerate product development, expand engineering teams, and extend market reach into new enterprise segments and geographic regions. This funding event exemplifies the ongoing venture capital momentum in the cybersecurity sector, with investors recognizing that well-funded, innovative security companies are essential to helping enterprises defend against increasingly sophisticated attack campaigns and emerging threat vectors that legacy security tools cannot adequately address. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe for more content and stay updated with the latest technology news.